Maintaining your accordion shutters, here are 5 essential parts you need. The accordion roller assembly ensures smooth and easy operation. The white push lock offers quick and secure locking. White Velcro straps keep your shutters quiet during storage. Use universal stack stops to maintain tight alignment and prevent wear. And finally, the knobbed thumb screw is perfect for securely locking your rods. Stock up on these key parts today at windstormproducts.com, trusted by coastal contractors and homeowners for reliable hurricane protection.